Today we have an interesting topic for discussion. Write your thoughts in the comments. Does the internet bring people closer or accumulate loneliness? In our time, the internet provides numerous opportunities, one of which is long-distance communication. People from different parts of the world can converse on various topics, share experiences and thoughts, exchange moments from their daily lives, and much more. Utilizing these opportunities is easy on any social media platform, of which there are many nowadays. People find like-minded individuals, friends, or even romantic relationships. Although long-distance relationships, in my opinion, are not the best idea, they are still a form of communication that, of course, can never compare to face-to-face interaction. Finding like-minded people is often necessary, especially if they are not present in one's immediate environment. And finding friends, for example, from other countries is a new and exciting experience. Therefore, it can be said that the internet can bring people closer, help them find friendships, but will these friendships be long-lasting and genuine? Will such communication, in turn, be beneficial to a person? Often, people hold their phones in their hands all day long, forgetting about reality. People who lack friends or live interaction seek a substitute in social networks and become dependent on it. They develop the illusion that everything they need for a happy life is right there in their phones. Finding friends often leads to losing them after a certain period because online interaction reaches an emotional peak that it cannot sustain. As a result, loneliness accumulates even further. To lessen this feeling, people repeatedly find new friends, who over time also disappear. This cycle can repeat endlessly. Unlike live communication, online interaction will never provide the emotions we get when talking face-to-face. Reading text messages, we interpret them without emotions. Even if we express emotions, they are unlikely to align with what the author intended to convey. In live communication, we express emotions, facial expressions which are unique for everyone, as well as gestures and the tone of our voice. Such ordinary live interaction can bring positive emotions and uplift one's mood for the whole day. In my opinion, live communication is one of the most essential things in anyone's life. Without it, a person is unlikely to consider themselves truly happy, although there are many other aspects of life that bring us joy. In my view, the internet can bring people closer, but it can also accumulate loneliness. The main thing is not to become dependent on it, not to forget about reality and about the things that truly bring us happiness. Thank you for watching. What is your opinion? Write in the comments, it will be interesting to read.